Hello students, good afternoon. My name is NK Jha from APS. Today I shall discuss the important topic determiners in details that is given in your book in page number 32. This is very marvelous topic and very important topic. If you want to improve in English, then you have to learn it, you have to understand it, because it will help you more and more to make sentence, to in language and many more places. So firstly we have to define determiners. What is determiners and how can I understand this is determiners? So determiners are words which come before a noun. This is the definition. Or a noun phrase. We have discussed in grammar class. All the words in blue in this sentence are determiners. So look page number 32, and in page number 32 you find the determiners definition and when you can use determiners, and you have to notice always come before a noun, just like Ram eats a mango. थोड़ा इस बात को आराम से समझिए. Ram eats a mango. This is noun. Noun के before a is coming. So this is known as determiners. Understand? A lot of examples are given, just like a garden is a nice place to be in. Garden is noun and noun before a is coming, so it works as determiners. Now number 2, an aquarium keeps the children happy for hours. So aquarium is a noun and before aquarium n is using. So this defines determiners and n is a determiners in the second sentence. Number 3, the sun is in the center of the solar system. Sun is a noun and before sun article the is coming and it is a determiner. So number 4, like that, is there any doctor in the village? Any is a determiner. Another patient was called inside. Patient is noun, so before noun another is coming and it's also determiners. The doctor is with the other patients in her room. Patients is noun and before noun other is coming, so I mean to say this is determiners. And all those examples you will have to understand, you will have to read, and which is in blue color, it indicates the part of determiners. So our, there, this, these, those, which, whose, ये सब सारे determiners हैं. और ये आप concentrate करके देखो कि ये noun के पहले आए हैं. जितना भी word है वो सारे noun ही हैं. Just like book, just like friend, house, pen, wings, class, project, painting, artist, walls, paintings. These are nouns. So before nouns, which, whose, those, these, this, their, our, its, her, his, your, my, another, other, any is used and it is determiners. Clear? So read it and learn it. Number 2, determiners with countable and uncountable noun. It's too important. Determiners with countable and uncountable noun. You have already studied countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable means you can count such things, or uncountable means which you can't count. जिसको आप नहीं गिन सकते उसको अनकाउंटेबल कहते हैं, जिसको आप काउंट कर सकते उसको काउंटेबल कहते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? The nouns birds and teacher are countable according to example. You can understand one bird, two birds, one teacher, many teachers. So bird and teachers, bird and teacher are countable nouns. Okay, here the next one, courage and nutrition. The nouns courage and nutrition are uncountable noun because you can't count courage. Only you can feel. Okay. Emperor Ashoka was known for his courage and intelligence. तो यहाँ पर uncountable noun हुआ, ये क्या हुआ? Uncountable noun हुआ. Understand? Number 2, children should be given adequate nutrition. Generally, we do not use a determiner with uncountable nouns. Just like milk is good for health. Okay? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के पहले या अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के साथ हम द का यूज नहीं करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक मिल्क. मिल्क इज एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सो इसके साथ हम डिटरमाइनर्स का यूज नहीं करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू राइट मिल्क इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. अंडरस्टैंड? माई पेरेंट्स स्पेंड a lot of money on our health and education. Okay? So uncountable noun के पहले हम लोग determiners का यूज नहीं करेंगे. countable के पहले determiners का यूज होगा. ओके? और हम लोग इसको करते भी हैं. ठीक है? जस्ट लाइक आपने जो है सो देखा. क्लियर? जो काउंटेबल के पहले और अनकाउंटेबल के पहले किस तरह से हम लोग डिटरमाइनर्स यूज करते हैं, नहीं करते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थीम, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस चैप्टर, you will have to understand. And number A, in page number 33, fill in the blanks with determiners. This is your homeworks and you have to do it and be correct the errors and rewrite the sentences. तो आप जो है सो एरर को करेक्ट करने की कोशिश करोगे. नंबर बी में एक हम बता देते हैं और सब ट्राई आपको करने हैं. ओनली 5 sentences are given. Just like nobody can bear the hunger and the thirst. देखिए हंगर नाउन है लेकिन ये अनकाउंटेबल है. हंगर अनकाउंटेबल है, इसका मतलब होता है भूख. भूख को हम लोग जो है सो काउंट नहीं कर सकते. एंड थर्स्ट मीन्स प्यास. ओनली हम लोग जो है सो फील कर सकते हैं. सो दोनों में से द हटा देंगे. And nobody can bear hunger and thirst. It will correct and it is right. He has the brother and the sister. No, he has brother and sister. Okay, he has brother and sister. This is the great news here. Here's the sweet for you. So, according to your study, according to your thoughts, you have to solve it. So as a homework, number A and number B you have to solve. Now some remaining part is phrase, that is noun phrase. A noun phrase has a noun or a pronoun. थोड़ा ठीक से इस पॉइंट को याद किया जाए. A noun phrase has a noun or a pronoun. Just like example, milk is very tasty, she is hungry, we are coming in. Number 2, sometimes a noun phrase has a determiner. His parents want him to become a doctor. Those children are noisy. Number 3, a noun phrase has adjectives. The tallest building. Okay. Horrible earthquake. A horrible earthquake. Horrible earthquake जो है सो noun है. The girl noun हुआ, इसके पहले द लगा हुआ है. तो आप देख सकते हैं इन द फ्रंट रो डांसेज ग्रेसफुली. And next one, a noun phrase can also tell us how much or how many. So as a homework, a lot of homework is in this chapter. The homework is given in page number 35. Underline the noun phrase in these sentences. So 8 questions, 8 sentences given, and you have to solve it. Try to solve it because it will help you more and more, and according to it and through it your English will be improved. Okay, so the page number 35, page number 33 and page number 32. 32 you have to understand and read countable, uncountable and determiners, and page number 33 question number A and question number B. This is your homework. And page number 35, underline the noun phrases in this sentence. This is also your homework, and try to do it. Okay, thanks.